If your Instagram and Facebook profile picture are syncing automatically, then follow these steps to stop the sync for the profile picture. So let's get started. Firstly, open the Facebook app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your Facebook account. Once logged in, tap on the three dashboard option available in the bottom right corner of your screen, then navigate to the menu option in Facebook. Now from there, scroll down and tap on the settings in privacy. Then tap on the settings. Then tap on the account center at the top. Once you tap on the account center, you'll be navigated to your account information or account settings. From there, tap on your profile at the top. Now again, tap on your name. Now here, tap on your profile again. You can see profile picture option available there. Tap on it. So as you can see, I don't have profile picture on my phone or on my Facebook because it is my anonymous account. So here, let's simply put down a profile picture for an example. So as this is my anonymous account, it is also not synced with any of my Instagram. So now let me show you. If you tap on the profile picture, this option shows. From here, toggle off the sync this profile option available there. Make sure it is toggled off. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.